Hi, I'm Rupali Datta. Today I'm going to speak about gluten. The reason I've chosen this topic is because a lot of people ask me about gluten. What is gluten? Is it good for our health? Is it going to help us lose weight? How does it work with our body? So here goes. Gluten is a protein which is present in wheat primarily, but it is also present in grains like rye and barley, which is jaw. Gluten sensitivity is seen in people who suffer from celiac diseases. For them, taking gluten can even have lethal effects. They cannot tolerate even 50 grams of gluten, which is probably the amount you get in a croton. There are other set of people who are sensitive to gluten but are not totally averse to taking gluten. Both of these can be tested with a simple blood test or a biopsy, and they can be a confirmatory test whether you are gluten sensitive or gluten intolerant or not. For the rest of us, it's perfectly all right to have gluten. Wheat comes with a lot of health benefits. Primarily, it is a very rich source of good fiber, which helps us with our diabetes, in controlling cholesterol and managing our weight. So people going off gluten because it's fashionable doesn't make sense. Gluten, the other side of the story is that we were not meant to have gluten rich cereals all through our lives. So we were not meant to have wheat and wheat products and just that, which is what we've landed up doing over a period of time. In Indian diets, we have some lovely non-gluten cereal grains which are available, which are very nourishing, which are rich in antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, fiber. So these grains are things like bajra, ragi, amaranth, sorghum, kuttu. These are all very good grains which are rich in a lot of nutrients but are gluten free. So for us Indians, to go gluten free is not really very difficult. You can do it, and in fact I always advise my patients to have at least one meal with a gluten-free cereal. It is healthy, it is bringing in variety into your food, and it is making sure that you have a different flavor in every meal. So going gluten-free to help you lose weight doesn't work. I wish it did. It's not that simple. For losing weight, you need to have a good lifestyle and exercise pattern to maintain and lose weight. No other shortcuts really work. At the same time, you don't need to do away with a complete food group. For me, it's taking away variety from my food. So please continue having your wheat. Have it in combination with a few gluten-free Indian grains that are available freely now, and live a happy and healthy life. Thank you very much.